Alright guys, I just got a call from a mate. He's bogged. So I'm gonna go there now and see if I can help him.
I've got a truck down there, mate.
Alright. Oh wow. Here she is, guys. Doesn't look that bad on this side, but as you saw on the other side, she's bogged. Let's see if we can get him out of here.
There you go. Subaru. Look out for the camper van. That was a good pull, that one. I think we may have got it out. Not sure yet. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
What's that?
Thumbs up or down? We don't know yet.
It's looking good.
It's looking good?
Yeah. It's moving.
There you go, Subaru, moving it. I'm happy with it.
Who's coming? Yeah, it's got to come up at the same time. Yeah, actually these might help.
He's going for a work cover. And we're filming it, is that alright? Don't tell anyone that he's going for a work cover. We don't know about it.
Hey, that's a good idea. We'll just see where it's going to be. Oh, that's curved, isn't it? Okay, good.
All good.
Just try going real slow and see if it'll grab on this back, like in reverse.
I'll tell him to get back in his car. Let's see what he does. Let's see what Blue Shirt does, and let's see what Stephen Chester does in his truckie. Let's see if he dumps it or let's see if he blows it.
I just told him this time, as I go for it, for him to go for it as well. Give it a bit of juice and we'll see what happens. Mighty Subi, got her out. So he's all good to go now. We got him out. Another mission completed. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next one.